Hi there, I'm Myra Galt. I'm here to tell you a little bit about who I am and why I started Galt Advocacy, why we do the work we do. And I'd like to tell you that my passion comes from my child, Ryan Daniel Wills, who lived 18 years on this earth, passed away in 2004. July 4th of 2004. He went out with a bang. He was an amazing guy. He went through so many trials and so much pain over the 18 years of suffering, but he always had this go the distance attitude. He created this little sign right here, go the distance. That's my motto, go the distance, go the distance. Don't give up, keep going. Right before he passed away, I found out that there were programs that I was never told about that would have helped me in those 18 years in a major way. I'm a mom of many. I had 7 natural born children. Ryan was my 3rd born. But I have 4 adopted children as well. 3 of them have Down syndrome, and they're all adults now. I'm a grandma. Didn't like that word at first, but oh, it's grown on me. I got 8 of them. So after Ryan died, there was this crater, this big hole in my life. And I felt called to go out there and find out why I had never been told about all these programs that could have helped me. I looked and looked and found there was no one that was supposed to tell me. I was somehow supposed to figure it out on my own. Well, that didn't happen. So I thought to myself, I want to become that person. I want to become the person that tells people. So I began to study every one of these federally funded programs, SSI, IHSS, Adoption Assistance, Medi-Cal, and regional center services. And I began to study the laws that are associated with these programs. I worked with an attorney to learn the legal side of things. And I went out on my own with an agency that now serves hundreds of people a year. We have attorneys that are retained under this firm that help you with legal matters, conservatorships. But the most exciting thing I want to tell you about is there is help. And you're tired today. Possibly you're tired, you're worn out, you've been taking care of a sick child, a child with severe behaviors, whatever is the reason you're tired. You're tired. And I'm going to tell you there's hope. Often we think it's in the school district, it's in the IEP. We want more services, and sometimes you need more services. Public education is not a Cadillac, it's the Ford. If you want the Cadillac, you got to pay for it privately. But even a Ford comes fully equipped. It can have all the bells and whistles. When you come to our office, we look at your IEP. We look at every program your child is part of. And we look and see if there's any other programs that they're not part of that they should be benefiting from. One such program is called the In-Home Support Services Protective Supervision. I never heard about this program until after my son passed away. This program has changed the lives of many of the families we serve, drastically changed their lives. If you have a child that is difficult because of autism, other intellectual disability, ADHD with intense impulsivity, Down syndrome. In most cases, your income can be waived and we can get you this service, even if you are not a destitute person that is eligible for welfare. Lots of people think that to get any of these programs, you have to be destitute. That's not true. This program is for people who, maybe like yourself, had a career, or like myself, couldn't work because of my child. or you're prevented from working because there's no one else that can care for your child like you do. Well, in that case, there's this program that can help you. It will pay up to $4,000 a month of tax-exempt money every month. I say up to $4,000 because some children, adult children or minors, will get less than that. It depends on how many hours you get, and that is what our agency is an expert at. I go to hearings, and I would say I win almost all of them on protective supervision because I know the regulations. And if the judge doesn't and gives us a poor answer, I get a rehearing. I fight for you. I go the distance. I don't give up. Now, if your case honestly isn't going to be eligible, I'm going to tell you that. If your case is borderline, I'm going to tell you that. If it's a good one, I'm going to tell you that. But we don't give up. One of the things I found when I was caring for my son Ryan was I was tired of fighting. Even though I didn't have very many services, I felt like I was always fighting for something. Fighting for the right medicine, fighting for the right doctor, fighting for the right treatment. And now I'm going to fight for a program. I'm going to have to become a lawyer or someone who knows the law and go in front of a judge. Forget it. That's what we do for you. So today I just wanted to let you know in this little video clip who I am and why I do what I do. And I look forward to helping you. So if you're tired, if you need guidance, it's all free. We don't charge for you to come in and talk with us. And do we charge you? Are we going to get paid? Yes, we do. We don't take federal dollars, and we aren't paid by special interest groups. Our parents pay us. And they usually absolutely look forward to paying us because they pay us after they get a lot of money. So they don't mind. And then after that, we keep fighting for you every year. When the social workers from these different programs visit you, we are there with you. We make sure they don't take the benefit away after they've given it to you. So give me a call. Give our agency a call. And let us see what we can do for you. I look forward to meeting you.